Hi everyone, I am Marty Walden and I write a blog called Marty's Musings. You can find me at martysmusings.net, and today I wanted to share a tour of my craft room slash office. This room was actually a bedroom for many years, and my husband several years ago, when my oldest daughter and oldest son, one graduated from high school and went to college, one got married, and I needed a project, something to keep my mind off it. Plus, I was a really big crafter. I love scrapbooking. I don't have as much time for it now, but I love to DIY projects and create lovely decor on a budget. So my husband made this room for me to kind of help with the grief of them leaving. And since then, it's had a lot of different mutations, I guess. It's changed a lot. So let me flip the camera around and I'll give you a tour. The first thing you see when you come in this room is this bed here. We got the frame on the side of the road, and my husband made the headboard because I wanted a pop of color, and I just love the way it turned out. On the wall you can see these 12 by 12 canvases that I used scrapbook paper and simply decoupaged on. I even personalized one of these. I printed the picture on copy paper in black and white, and then I just added it and decoupaged it. The curtains were actually 3 panels. I needed 1.5 for each section. And I love to have photos in the room, and this was just something I got on sale at a craft store at 75% off. I needed some more storage in this room, so there's many things here that are just have just simple storage. Love the colors. These baskets up here, I got at a yard sale for $1 a piece, and that was a steal. I took craft boxes, you can see on that top shelf. I painted every other box in this color, and then I also, with these 2 drawer systems right here, these are so old and they look pretty rough, so I just recently painted them with chalk paint, and we attached new handles that I got half off. And although this room is a craft room, I do have a piano here, a keyboard here that we didn't have storage for anywhere else. One day I'd love to get back to practicing, but for now it just kind of is part of the room. These boxes are just my favorite. They're perfect for storing scrapbook paper, which I have a lot of. Then you just have tubs on the shelf above it. And right here you can see how I've used mason jars for ribbon storage, buttons, and other kinds of embellishments. This is our ribbon storage wall. It's just a wooden dowel, and my husband was so creative in doing that. I just love it. It's pretty, it's functional. And underneath I just have plastic tubs. Very simple. And this is, I have to cut this light off. And this is my office nook. My husband painted this wall, accent wall, and I absolutely love that pop of color. He cut these shelves, are simply cut out of a sheet of plywood and attached so that I could have functional shelving and still be pretty and still have the open effect that I was looking for. There's a shelf all the way at the top too, so it's very functional. On either side, I created a bulletin board out of fabric that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and I just used scrapbook paper and added some sentiments so that that would encourage me as I'm working. Here's the other side. I love these pops of color. It helps with my creativity. It helps me to focus when I'm working. And underneath here, I simply have, it's kind of hard to see, I simply have 2 more plastic storage units. And because I use a laptop and I need a bigger monitor for editing pictures. I have my laptop on this little $3 chalk painted table. Everything in this room, if possible, was thrifted. And I actually kind of reuse these tubs for my kids when they homeschooled. We do have a TV in here, but nobody uses it. Pillows are thrifted. And that is my craft room. Thank you so much for coming to visit. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll check out Annie's Crafts YouTube channel for more of these craft videos.